Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you know, what's still happening in Los Angeles right now. So apparently the wildfire is still going on all there. It's a big disaster still there, and everyone is just disappointed and tired of this. So the government is actually really disappointed and tired of this wildfire. So in the inside the parliament, however, Trump thought that there should be some religion that could accept, that should be allowed to stop this whole wildfire that's happening in Los Angeles. So what he did is that he allowed Muslims to pull a azan, and in the country that those people, all the Christians there, they are against Muslims. A kind of country that is against Muslims is now azan in that country, which is very surprising actually, because those people hate Muslims. And so on, Trump finally allowed Muslims to pull out an azan there just for their Los Angeles, and also told the Palestinians that they should pray for them, that what's happening in Los Angeles. It's really bizarre actually. Why would they do something like that?
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha
When we are in comfort zone, when everything is going well and nothing bad is happening, we are just saying that their God is fine. But when we are in our comfort zone, we just that the other religions, what other religion, they don't even care about their own God, and that's why ever since that wildfire happened, now they're like, finally suddenly now they care about God. They are now praying to God, just so their country could get better and their city could just level up and finally revive. They're doing this because there is no comfort zone at all in the Los Angeles, and what is happening is just wildfire, because when there was no wildfire, those all Christians and Americans, they were all just focusing on vulgarity, and instead they just forgot about their own God. Not even ours. They don't even care about ours. I don't even want to talk about ours. They even don't care about their own God as well, since they're in their comfort zone. But ever since that wildfire happened, now they suddenly care about their God. So what I want to say is that we should all pray for Los Angeles. I'm just disappointed. I'm not angry at all. And we should pray for Los Angeles, and we should also pray for Palestine. If you all liked my video, and if you also learned the lesson, please like and subscribe my channel, and most importantly, keep sharing this video so all your friends and family will send to other people so they can finally understand that you should never ignore God. And most importantly, drop a heart in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye everyone.